Okay, let's imagine I made a map of the UNESCO World Heritage Site Abu Simbel in southern Egypt. It's an amazing temple, and I hope everybody can go there at some point in their life. So once I've made my map, I need to make a where in the world is this kind of a locator map. So we need to make a little bit of a globe. So let's start a new map and just add a base map and add National Geographic just because it's, well, look at this place. It's just kind of a National Geographic kind of place, right? And there's our base map, and it's in a projection I can't stand, Web Mercator. So let's go ahead and change the projection to something much cooler and more appropriate. And let's change that to, well, if we type in here, World from Space, one of my favorites. So once we apply that, we'll get the globe in the center of the universe, and this projection is somewhere in eastern Canada, I guess, but Egypt's way over here and we can't spin this. So what do? Well, we change where the meridian is, and that's easily done. If we go back to properties and we right click and say copy and modify, and now right here is where the magic happens. So since I don't know the lat and long of Abu Simbel, let's give it a goog. And here it is. So let's use these numbers right here and type those in. 31.6258 and 22.3372. And apply that. And lo and behold, now our world has turned to our place of interest, Abu Simbel, Aswan in southern Egypt, which lives right in this area up here, right about there. So cool, easy. Now we can use this to make our where in the world locator map to our imaginary map of UNESCO World Heritage Site Abu Simbel.